Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Why are my candied yams runny? The combination of brown sugar and butter should create a syrup when the yams are baking in the oven. Whisk until melted and slightly thickened, then pour over yams before baking. This should help cook some of the water out and thicken the syrup.
Take our lead.
The skin of a yam left looks kind of like tree bark, while a sweet potato right is more reddish-brown. Real yams are entirely different root vegetables that are more like yucca in texture and flavor. To make life even more complicated, there are a handful of varieties of sweet potatoes: orange, white, and purple.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
10 to 20 minutes. Small yams can be cooked in their skins, but larger ones should be peeled, washed and blanched for 10 to 20 minutes in boiling salted water before being used. Yams can be used in the same way as potatoes. Serve mashed yams with plenty of butter and seasoning as an accompaniment to meat stews or other vegetable dishes.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
In this regard, are canned yams healthy? The good, this food is low in sodium, and very low in saturated fat and cholesterol. It is also a good source of dietary fiber and vitamin C, and a very good source of vitamin A and manganese. Canned yams are frequently packed in syrup, which will make them very sweet.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Bruce's canned yams sweet potatoes use only the tendermost part of the sweet potato called the sweetheart. As the #1 selling canned sweet potato in the U.S., it has been referred to as America's favorite, sweetheart. Certified by the American Heart Association.
Take our lead.
Mashed potatoes are a classic comfort food dish. However, it can be pretty disappointing if they turn out too watery or runny. This can be a result of overcooking the potatoes, adding too much milk, or not draining all the cooking water.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.